friends, we're going to draw Jack today, who is a Jack Russell Terrier, and he's Rusty's best friend. Oh my god, we've just drawn Rusty, so this is going to be interesting. Now his ears are a bit tricky, so you have to pay attention. He has floppy ears.
Floppy ears.
Yeah, so he doesn't have pointy ears like Rusty, but he has floppy ears. And he doesn't have pointy ears like Bluey either. So we're going to now...
And bingo.
And bingo. So let's draw Jack. Jack Russell, my favorite. So we're going to start with his ears. There's a slanting a bit. And I'm going to make a triangle that has curved edges. So watch how I make that. I'm going to go make a triangle, remember how you do a triangle for his floppy ears, because his ears are flopping. Then watch how I make his forehead. So he has a forehead which is going upwards a bit.
Upward, just like line.
Yes, and then a curve inwards.
A curve inwards.
And then again a straight horizontal line. We're going to make his thick bushy eyebrows, so make a curve, nice curve.
Nice curve.
And then curve them a bit towards the edges, and then make a slight horizontal line to join them. Close enough. We're going to make his other eyebrow, which is again a curved one like we've done before on Bluey and Rusty. And we're going to make a curve, slight curve for the eyebrow. Now we're going to make his next floppy ear. So watch how I make the curve. So above his eyebrow, we're going to make a slant line, slightly slanting line. We're going to curve it a bit and then go all the way down like a mountain around the slope and turn it a little bit. And we're going to make his pointy ears, so make it a floppy pointy ear. Going to continue with his head, so we're going to make a straight line from his eyebrow. Yes, from his eyebrow is going to make a straight line, and from the other floppy ear we're going to make another straight line, very short one. And then we're going to try and make his nose first. Okay, so watch how I make his nose. He has a very slanting nose. So we're going to start inside. It's not going to be horizontal. It's going to be going top to bottom.
It'll
like
be a
this.
diagonal one.
Correct. A little bit diagonal. So we make it like this. And we're going to make his nose at the end of this. So the nose is going to start from inside. Again, a small triangle like his floppy ear. We're going to make a smaller version of that. We're going to make an oval inside his nose, and we're going to color his nose black. He has a black nose.
Like Bluey and Bingo's.
Yes. We're going to make his mouth now, so watch how I go. We're going to go slightly downwards, curve it in.
Curve it in.
And we're going to go a bit horizontal line. So watch how I go the horizontal line. It's no longer a slanting line, it's a horizontal line. And then we're going to curve it back in and make a smile.
Smiley.
We're going to continue with his body under his mouth, straight line down. I'm going to leave it there for now, and we're going to make his eye, which we can obviously see a half eye. So we're going to make kind of like a semicircle
Where is diagonal?
on the diagonal line, and then make his eyeball there.
Another semicircle.
And we are going to make his big wide eye underneath his eyebrow and just above his lip. So watch this big oval. And we're going to make
The same thing on his other eye, but it's the whole circle.
Gonna make his eye. Now we're going to make his hands, which are slightly tricky because he's actually saluting to us. Now go a curve. And we're going to slightly take his arm out and then curve it back in.
Curve it back in.
And we're going to make his other three more fingers. So go one curve and then another curve and then one more for his
thumb.
hand. Thumb, yeah. You can say thumb. And then curve it in. Now we are going to make his continue with his body. So under that same line, we're going to go down and we're going to go like this and then make his complete and finish his body. So we're going to go like this. Yippee! We finished Jack's body. Now his legs. Again, same thing. We make one long line, one short line, one long line, one short line. We're going to go a curve and a curve from the long line.
Like Rusty's.
And then curve it outwards to make his paws. And then finish them with
That was so
curves.
quick.
We have to do his tail. Now his tail is not pointing upwards, it's pointing sideways. So we're going to make it.
Yeah, he's so
Make a curve. It's not a U anymore. It's a curve. And then one more curve, which is a shorter one underneath. And then we're going to join it with a fluffy cloud. Just his tail is quite thin.
That was a very easy one.
So we're going to color his
Body brown.
body brown, and we're going to fast forward this bit, but you can
Black
always
and
pause the video and watch.
Black and brown you need. You need black and brown.
And that's
For you. See you next time for another Learn to Draw. See you next time. Bye.